today's video is sponsored by Autovox. This mirror right here is the new V5 Pro. So what's different about this mirror compared to the last one that you guys saw me install is that this one wires into your car instead of using your car's cigarette lighter. Everything is way more clean. I clearly did not tuck everything in because I really wanted to showcase the mirror to you guys. I will be tucking everything in. The fact that it keeps its OEM look is amazing. You guys know me, when it comes to my Lexus, even though I have a lot of aftermarket parts, I still like to keep it as OEM as I can. It is a full replacement. All I did was remove my OEM mirror and I was able to get this one on. It comes with plenty of adapters so it can fit any make or model. Keep in mind, if you don't have a dash cam, this is the perfect solution because you get the best of both worlds. You get a reverse camera and you get a dash cam. All you have to do is buy a micro SD card, which is not included, insert it, and you can be recording as long as you need to be. It has a built-in dash cam and backup camera. I know a lot of you guys don't have a backup camera, so this will definitely help. Here's the split view. We have the dash cam right over here. You can switch it to just the front, or you can just have it off, and it acts like a regular rear view mirror. Huge thank you to Autovox for sponsoring this video and sending me this product to show to you guys. If you guys are interested, this is the Autovox V5 Pro. Link is in the description below, and use my promo code in the description to get a huge discount. Autovox is one of the most innovative car companies out there right now, so I'm really excited to be pairing up with them, and this is one of their best mirrors by far. Anyways guys, let's get back to today's video. Yo, what is going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Today, I get really old because today is my birthday. What better way to start off your birthday with a 7 a.m. gym session? I thought I'd bring you guys along, a little more vlog style. Let's see what we get ourselves into today. Alright guys, I didn't really film too much of my workout because I didn't want you guys to see how weak I really am. We're gonna continue the day with none other than a nice fresh haircut. Who doesn't love a nice fresh haircut on their birthday? I wasn't expecting this, but he cut my hair for free. Thank you TK, if you ever watch my videos, you are amazing. I did not expect that. What a great start to my birthday. I mean, I wanted to pay the guy. He always hooks it up. Wow, that's awesome. So we're gonna go back home and change. We're gonna grab some donuts over in Eagle Rock, so I will see you guys there. Alright guys, so I lied. I'm really hungry, so we came out to Din Tai. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of Din Tai. It is Taiwanese dumplings and they are amazing. But you know, I gotta hit you guys with a quick little air out. Real shit that never gets old. If you guys have never been to Din Tai Fung, you have to go. So we have not been here in so long, and I was telling her how I really wanted to come back here for my birthday. We were afraid they were gonna be closed, but thank God they opened up. They have the best Hennessy drink here, and I'm gonna show you guys. I hardly ever get it, but it is the best thing in the world, if you like Hennessy. Alright guys, if you come here, you have to get this cucumber salad. It is amazing. We got some pork dumplings over here, Hennessy oolong tea. This thing brings you back to life.
I got the pear and lychee martini.
Can't go wrong with lychee. Cheers, guys. Dude, this is like a different take on Hennessy. It is the best thing ever. The best thing about the dumplings here is that they're soup dumplings. Mmm. So good. Soy sauce on this. Nice, right?
Mm-hmm. They're like the perfect temperature.
Alright guys, now we have the pork and shrimp. One of my favorites. Who doesn't like shrimp?
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're also not ordering a lot. We normally order like 2 plates of this. Our green beans are coming. 3 trays of these dumplings. But we're gonna be eating some seafood later at around 3. So we just wanted to eat small little breakfast. Actually, big breakfast. So I turned 27 today. And a lot of you have said that I look like I'm 17. If you guys wanna know the secret to how I look so young, it's this. Every single day, eat soy sauce. Next up, we got the sauteed green beans. Definitely have to put some soy sauce over that. Now we need some of their famous chili oil. And then you top it off with some cucumber salad sauce.
The secret.
This is the secret right here. You have to ask for this. Oh my God, guys, that place was so amazing. Please, for the love of God, try it. for me. Do that as a birthday wish for me. Now we're finally gonna go get donuts. I don't know where, but she's been wanting to take me to this place to try out, so hopefully it's good. Comment down below which one you think looks really good. Ooh, it's strawberry shortcake, cinnamon roll for my uncle, horchata, matcha, regular sprinkles because you can't go wrong with that, and a cronut. Look who decided to show up.
What's up?
Oh! You guys don't know this is my uncle?
Yeah. Same age, but yeah.
Yeah, we're the same age.
More like brothers, but technically my brother is his dad.
So we're going to EMC. It's over here in the village. Lots of seafood. We're gonna get some oysters and take advantage of this happy hour. Oh yeah. You know we're missing San Diego, so we gotta get more carpaccio. Oysters are a must. Grilled shrimp. Oh my god. I forgot that we ordered this. Oh my god, guys, that was the best meal. What did you think of it? It was your first time there?
It was delicious. Got the grilled shrimp. No, it was a shrimp cocktail.
I'm gonna end the vlog here for today. I'll pick this back up tomorrow because we're gonna be doing car stuff. So I'll see you guys then. What's up guys? Today we are at All Aspects doing a full-on car day. We set up the canopy for Josh because he's setting up his, Josh, what are you installing again? High pressure fuel pump, right?
Yeah, I need high pressure fuel pump.
So he's not getting full boost right now.
No, I'm getting good boost, it's just...
When you full throttle it, it just gives you like some sort of malfunction kinda.
Yeah, I'm just getting codes.
So we're gonna swap that out today. I need to change my brake pads. We got Andy over here. What up, what up?
What up? How's it going?
Pretty good. What are you doing right now?
A whole lot of nothing. Dropped my subframe, kind of disassembling right now.
You spent all morning doing this.
Last 4 hours.
Real car guy right here. So this is Josh's high pressure fuel pump. We got my brake pads over here. I want some ceramic ones, Stop Tech for the Brembos. Josh already getting started. I should start mine too, but it's kind of hot. I might do it in a little bit. I also wanted to thank all of you guys for the birthday wishes yesterday. It meant a lot to me, and I want to give you guys the secrets on how you can look a lot younger. So for me and Josh, it kind of comes a little natural because we're Asian. You know, Asian don't raisin. If you really think about it, I genuinely feel like soy sauce is the #1 secret to looking young. Think about how salty soy sauce is and how much Asians use it, and we still look young. Huh? Another thing that a lot of you guys ask me is how I get money for car parts or how I save. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I do drink occasionally, like every other person, but I'm not going to bars every single weekend or every weekday after work for that matter, like some people that I do know. That's how you save money. I don't drink a lot, so more money for car parts, right Andy?
Car parts.
In addition to saving money so you could buy parts for your car, you should definitely always go to the gym. Eat somewhat healthy, or at least know you're only gonna eat bad on the weekends and the rest of the week you stay good. And that's how you can look as young as an Asian. So, if you guys don't already know, BMW has a bunch of shit they have to get through just to get to whatever part it is you're working on. I jacked up my car. Even though I have bags, my side skirts still sag a little bit, so we had to cut some wood blocks and put it onto this low profile jack. Jack it up, put on jack stands, and we can go ahead and start. I haven't even opened these yet, so hopefully they're not missing any pads. Heard some great things about you from my buddy Fee, so hopefully you guys are a good brand. Alright guys, we got on jacks. You already know, you gotta do the safety test. Check if your car wiggles when it's on jacks. We good. Josh over here defeated because it's so hot. You're sweating?
Look at this shit, dude. Look how much I'm sweating right now.
It's not even that hot.
It's a car life for you. If you guys thought it was a monster truck before, look at it now. If you didn't know, when it comes to changing brake pads, it's very, very simple. All you're doing is taking out this clip right here that holds the pads in, pull the pads out, and slip the new ones right in. Obviously you have to compress the pistons, so we'll be doing that with like a flathead. These Brembos are so weird. I'm just used to the normal 2 pins right here, but it had this long ass bolt right down the middle. Remove that, got the brake pads out. Took a look at them and Andy said there's still like 40% life in these, but then I put them next to the brand new ones. Bro, look how fat these are. All right, so let's put these in. All right guys, everything's in. Look at how much life there is for this. Holy shit. I fucking love my Brembos. Now we're gonna put the wheel back on and do the other side. Alright guys, I forgot to let you know, for all of you telling me that I need to get an emblem for my engine bay, I got one. And I completely forgot about it. Thankfully I brought it today. It is the perfect size, so let's go ahead and put this on. It's in there like swimwear. I was gonna paint it like black chrome or something, but I didn't really have time, and I still needed to figure out how I was gonna make it black chrome by like testing it on other chrome pieces. It's on there. Let me know in the comments down below what color you guys think I should paint that. Either black chrome, some other color, or possibly match it with my front emblem here. But everything else is already red, so I don't really want that to be red. Kind of want there to be a little bit of contrast. I honestly can't wait to test out these pads because there's so much more life that I feel like when I tap on the brake, it's gonna grip. I wanted to follow up with the bags real quick. I always inspect them whenever I have the back wheels off. We got really lucky. If you guys can see here, my toe arm does not rub against the bag whatsoever. Even when it's aired up or aired out, there's no punctures or any wear. Now this end link right here, we thought it was gonna give us problems because check it out. You see how close it is? There's no signs of wear whatsoever. That's awesome. And it's like that on both sides. That's so crazy because a lot of people who install double bellows in the rears for this car, they always have issues of it rubbing, and they have way more clearance than I do, and it still rubs when they air out. I don't know what happened. Maybe the air gods aligned their stars just for me. Finished the rears. Pads were so close to being done. Look at this. This is like the thinnest ever. Holy shit. So we're gonna put everything back on and go help out Josh. Are you down, Andy?
Just gotta,
Yeah.
real quick.
Hey, for my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Get a shot. Oh, damn.
Oh, it's so good when it's frosty. Henny boys, anything is possible. He's been here for about 5 hours and he's barely made any progress. And that's because BMW. Since we finished the brake pads, there's no other way than to test them out and see how they work. Gonna be driving down this and see how well they brake. I hope you enjoyed that video. That's gonna end it here for today. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for all of you guys who wished me a happy birthday. You are all amazing. I'll catch you guys in the next video. I have a few things planned, so I'll see you guys then. And don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later.